Welcome to this gentle seated practice to connect to your body and your heart chakra. I'll invite you to find a comfortable seated position and begin to gently rock forward and back. Feel your pelvic bowl, feel your sits bones. Take a few deep breaths. So inhaling through your nose and exhaling through your mouth. Once more, inhaling up, exhaling down. And from here, starting to circle through your rib cage. You can even bring your hands to your rib cage. Take some gentle circles and notice how this feels, keeping your pelvic bowl quite grounded the whole time. You might go in the opposite direction as well. Notice how that feels in your upper body to open up and expand. So from here, I'll invite you to come into some very sacred, gentle touch. I'm touching my legs, but you could be feeling anywhere on your body. Really tuned in, really present with every sensation as you feel your body. Maybe moving up to your arms, your shoulders, your chest. When that feels complete, I'll invite you into a sacred hug. So wrapping your arms around your body, and this is an anchor pose. So feel yourself rooted into the center of your being. Keep breathing here. Focus on your center. And softly coming out as you're ready. Any moves that feel good, maybe going through your shoulders. And you might like to bring your finger and thumb together as we open into kind of like a sideways movement here. So this is again to open up your upper body, feel light and expansive. Explore as many of these as you like. Notice how I'm gazing at my hands as I do this, so very focused. And from here, rubbing your hands together, charging them up with lightness, expansiveness. And hovering over your chest or your breasts. Bring all of your awareness here, all of your consciousness to your heart, your breasts, or just your chest area. How does it feel to breathe here? And when you're ready, you might rest your hands on your heart, take a few deep breaths, focusing on your heart space now, maybe a healing light here. Slow, gentle breathing. I have a deep joy within me. Okay, as you come out of this, maybe moving side to side through your neck, softly releasing. Inhale up and down with your arms to release that energy. Breathe up. And exhale down. One last time. I'll invite you to inhale up, and this time hold your arms up for a moment and notice how it feels to inhale and just keep reaching your energy up. And exhaling as you're ready to release down. Thank you so much for exploring this practice with me. The affirmation for this practice, you might like to write it down or repeat it. I have a deep joy within me. Thank you so much.